What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am making these very easy, very delicious 3-ingredient peach chipotle wings. All you need for this recipe is some wings, and you can get the kind that I have, or you can get the wingettes or drumettes or whatever. Just get some chicken, y'all. Some Smucker's peach, well, it doesn't have to be Smucker's, some peach preserves, and then this Sweet Baby Ray's honey chipotle barbecue sauce. So first thing you want to do is you want to rinse off your chicken, and if you're using these whole wing pieces like I am, then I just simply tuck back the tail, and you're going to place these in a crock pot on high for 2 hours and 30 minutes. For your sauce, you're just going to take about half a bottle of the barbecue sauce and mix it with half the jar of the peach preserves. And you're going to mix this until it's pretty well combined, and then set it to the side. Now that your chicken has cooked for 2 hours and 30 minutes, now I'm going to remove the chicken from the crock pot and pour out all of the juices out of the crock pot. We're going to just dump it in the sink. We don't need that. Once you do that, place your chicken back in the crock pot and evenly distribute your sauce on top of the chicken. So you might have to stir it around a bit, but make sure every piece is covered in the sauce, and we're going to continue cooking on high for another 30 minutes. Now, place your chicken on a foil-lined cookie sheet. Please use foil, because if you don't, you're going to mess up your pan. So anyway, we're going to place our chicken on the pan, and we're going to kind of spoon some of that excess sauce over the top. Place this in the oven for about 15 minutes on 425 degrees. And there you have it. 3-ingredient peach chipotle wings. These wings are amazing. Please give them a try. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and please subscribe. And if you would like the printable recipe, please visit my website at athomewithtiffany.com. Until next time, peace.